In this video, I will show you what happens when you work with excess charges and insulators or conductors. So let's say the first case, this is a conducting object. So that's a conductor. And let's say the one that I have here is an insulator. Now, if I bring some excess electrons and I place them wherever I want, inside the conductor, I make a hole and I leave them inside, or I put them on the surface, it doesn't matter, the result is the same. I know that conductors have an important property. They include electrons mobile enough. They are free to move anywhere they want in the interior and on the surface of the conductor. So if I bring excess electrons here, I know that electrons, let's say I bring them and I leave them around, I leave them here. I know that the electrons repel each other. So those forces are those repulsive forces will try to create motion. They will try to make them move. And because conductors include electrons free to go anywhere, if they can go wherever they want, they will be as far away as possible from each other. So if you place excess charges on a conductor, those are gonna be distributed as far away as possible on the surface. Okay, this is important to remember. Those will be on the surface because that is where they are as far away as possible from each other. Now, in contrast, if you take some excess negative charges and you place them, let's say here, in the interior of the insulator, there is nowhere else they can go. Insulators do not have any electrons free to go wherever they want. If once you place excess charges somewhere in an insulator, they're gonna stay there. That's how it works. So these are two very different responses from these two very different materials.